Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use your AirPods Max. First, let's get them set up. To power on your AirPods Max, simply remove them from their smart case. They automatically connect to your Apple devices. For initial pairing, hold your AirPods Max near your unlocked iPhone or iPad, and a setup animation will appear. Tap Connect and follow the simple on-screen instructions. It's a seamless process designed to get you listening in just a few moments, ensuring you're ready to enjoy your audio experience quickly. Your AirPods Max offer intuitive controls. The digital crown, located on the right ear cup, allows you to precisely adjust volume by rotating it. A single press plays or pauses audio, 2 presses skip forward, and 3 presses skip back. You can also answer or end calls with a single press. The noise control button lets you effortlessly switch between active noise cancellation, which blocks external sounds, and transparency mode, which lets you hear your surroundings. Plus, experience incredible spatial audio for a truly immersive soundstage. Keeping your AirPods Max charged is simple. Use the included Lightning to USB-C cable to connect them to a power source. A full charge provides up to 20 hours of high-fidelity audio, even with active noise cancellation and spatial audio active. When you place your AirPods Max into the smart case, they automatically enter an ultra-low power mode, significantly extending battery life when not in use. This smart design ensures your headphones are ready whenever you are, minimizing the need for frequent charging. Proper care ensures your AirPods Max remain in excellent condition. For cleaning, gently wipe the ear cushions and headband with a soft, slightly damp, lint-free cloth. Avoid harsh chemicals or abrasive materials. Always store your AirPods Max in their smart case when not in use. This protects them from scratches and helps conserve battery. If you ever need to troubleshoot or reset them, simply hold down both the digital crown and the noise control button for about 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber, then white.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.